Okay, so we're going to fix this part right here. Okay. So right here, it's this one. I'm going to get rid of this one. Boom. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, gone. I don't even know. Sometimes you do stuff, and I mean, I remember I did adjust it earlier. Oh, it might be because we might have to split the clip right here. You see this? So let's see what happens. What was that? Oh, see, this one is. Hang on, what's going on here? Is this one? Let's see. Where did it start? Wherever it starts moving, it's because of this previous one, I believe. Or you know what it is? Let's see. Okay, I think it's because of this one right here, I believe. So we're gonna get rid of all of these, or at least these two. We're gonna get rid of these. Okay. So let's see what happens here. Okay, first of all, it's hard to see the hand, but it does end up going out of frame, as you can see right there. Right there. So let's let's just be on the side of caution. We're gonna move over. And we're gonna continue on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember the 3-frame rule. If that's, if she's standing, she is standing perfectly in the middle, you're fine. Just move it along, move it along, move it along, move it along. Okay, and now remember you can even zoom it in too if you need to, but like since there's dancers are really hard to capture, so you want all the space on each up, down, left, right as you can have. So let's see what happens here. Okay, remember this part is okay because we had zoomed into that anyways with a cut. Okay, now she is off here for some reason. We have plenty of space here, so we can definitely fix this. I think what we'll do actually is we will make a cut just because. So right there, go to V. Yeah, because her hand goes out of frame anyways. So okay, so I'm gonna go back a little bit. Uh-oh. If you guys hear a cat, it's a needy cat. So yeah. So we are going to move over like this. Oh wait, did it start the keyframe? It did start the keyframe. Thank goodness. Okay. So we're gonna continue on. We're gonna move over. Okay, we're doing good. This is the part where that's where it zooms in, so that's okay. I'm gonna hit play. It's on slow-mo right now. Now, do we like that part right there? Let me back it up here. Hang on. I feel like maybe she could be, you know what I'm saying? Or instead of this, maybe we get this right here. Let's see how it looks. That'll work. Oh, hang on, guys.